Hey guys, welcome back. Cooking up some smokies today in the frying pan. I set my little Christmas tree up in the window. This comes on. There's some batteries. Let's see. Little battery pack that has lights on it, and yeah, usually stick that one out in the window. Hope you guys don't mind the videos here. I can't really film that much what's going on here at Costco, but or where I park. I could probably take you guys outside and show you a little bit around. Yeah, I'll do that. Oh, quick while my supper is heating up there. So Costco. Right here in Cowoots. Parked in a little spot. Where's everybody from anyway? Like, what part of the world are you guys from? Let me know in the comments. I'm originally from Newfoundland. I'm originally from Newfoundland on the East Coast, outside of St. John's. But I lived in Prince Edward Island for a long time, and I moved out here in Alberta in 2003. and I worked at a packing plant in Brooks, Alberta for 10 years. Then I did a little bit of service rigs after that for maybe a half a year. Didn't like that too much. And then I was at a feedlot for 6 years, working at a cattle processing plant, and and then with holds 80,000 head of cattle at a feed yard, one of the biggest feed yards in southern Alberta or around. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just let me know in the comments where you guys were all from. I live out here now for 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8, 9, 21, 2, I think 22 years now I live out here. Some cheese smokies. Yeah, I want to thank all the new subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. I try to make it as most interesting as I can, but during the work weeks I can't do too much to make it more interesting than what it already is. But because I'm kind of stationary and I don't want to drive around too much and waste a whole lot of gas, but I will get out and do some camping here, and hopefully you guys come along for the journey. Got off a little bit late today at work. About an hour and a half or whatever away from Kamloops. Anyways, guys, I hope you don't think this video is too boring. That I make shitty videos or something. I'm just working now just this week, so can't really get out and do some good videos for you guys. I don't know a whole lot about Kamloops or whatever, but yeah. And it's late in the day, so I don't want to drive around too much. I've still got a couple of days of work left. Anyways, guys, ciao. Thanks for subscribing and liking to my channel, and tell me in the comments where you guys are all from and stuff. And yeah, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.